How to recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android. So if you want to recover permanently deleted text message on your Android, then what you need to do is you need to go with your Play Store, make sure that you have an internet connection, go with your search, and under search you need to search for SMS Backup and Restore. You need to have this application. After installing this application, you can tap on open. After opening, make sure that you've set up backup. After setting up your backup to your messages, you can just simply go and delete your messages, and even after deleting your messages, you'll be able to restore your message. But if you've not turned this on, or if you don't have any backups, then if you've permanently deleted something like some text or some SMS, then you won't be able to recover it if you've deleted it permanently. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.